heading out. Not sure if I'll get out the ocean, but I am going to give it a go in the seaway with the pinkies. We'll just see how windy it is when we get around the corner. But here we are, the parrot is ready for action. Just thought I'd do a quick video of the setup. There's some fish down there. They are. I've got the big rod and I'm going to head out the seaway. Pretty cool, eh? Looks alright out there. Got the pathy doing its job. We'll see you on the water. How good's this? She just rolls off. Mate, we're getting good at this. Look at that. Perfect. Rolled her off. What I like about jet skiing is there's not a lot of things you've got to remember. When you go boating, there's so many things. We're here, you make sure your GoPros are charged, you've got your rods on board, and really, that's all you have to do. It's just so simple. That's what I like about it. So we're on high tide. We are going to have a look out of the seaway, and we'll see what we can do. So we'll start this up once we've heading to the seaway. Got to keep the nose up. Bit of wind out here. We've been out here a lot of times. Hope this is recording. Yeah, it looks like it. I think we'll just have a little look and then head back in. At least we can say we've been out the seaway. It's a bit lumpy, not worth the trouble. We'll do some flathead fishing. All we're going to do is get on the back of a wave and we're right. Let's ride this one in. Here we go, ride her in. Piece of cake. Never let the nose go down. Always got to back off, stay on the back of a wave like that. Then use the power. There's a big drop, I'm not going to fall into that. So I'm just going to sit on this wave now, all the way in. Look at that, perfect. Right, we're coming over the bar, and problem solved. You just get a bit wet. Hopefully that... Always caught a fish, a bream, boring bream. There we go. No, we're not doing bait. Seen some good fish here. I'm going to go into the shallows a bit. we go. That's what we want. Now, we'll put this in the esky first. See, I got him on the stinger. We don't want to get tangled up. Must be for divers. Anyway, we're going to have a throw here. I've seen some very big flathead here over the years of diving. So we're going to have a go here. Something going on here. Oh, that's a diver, I think. Where's your freaking flag? See the birds up there? That's where you go. The wind in the hair.